Today we're going to talk about how to install the MSC Controlpoint ASI application on an iPhone. So first you're going to go to the App Store. If this is an Android, then you're going to go to the Play Store and then you're going to type in Controlpoint ASI. You're going to see right here, I've already downloaded it, but you're going to want to click where it says open. It'll typically show download, and then download the application. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to access it. And there's two options here, either view orders, which that'll be if you've got some orders in the history, but typically it'll just be create order. So you'll click on create order. Your cart is currently empty. You have two options. You can either scan a barcode, which the camera will be active, and you can just point and grab that barcode. It doesn't matter which barcode it is. It'll scan any barcode actually. So I don't have a barcode to use. I'm going to use a part number, BD1200, which is gray primer. And I'm just going to add a package of 1. So it's going to automatically populate the description and the standard quantity of package of 6. I can increase that, I can reduce it, and I can continue to add any part numbers I want. Or I can clear my cart. Next thing I'm going to do is go to checkout. And on checkout, I'm going to enter my account number, account name, first name, last name, email, phone number, shipping address, city, province for Canada, and postal code for Canada. Purchase order if I want to just go ahead and process the order. If you don't want to process the order just yet and you just want a quotation, you don't need to fill in the purchase number. Once you've filled out this information, it will actually save it in the application, so you shouldn't have to re-enter it again. The only change would be that if you have multiple account numbers, different locations at your site, then you would have to change that. So once we have that, we're going to go confirm, which I don't have an account number to use right now. And it's going to give us two options. It's going to say submit order or request an order. If you're submitting an order, you probably want to add a purchase order just so that it gets processed right away. If you're requesting a quote, that's going to give you a quotation back via email, and in which case you can reply back to that with a purchase order or any changes you'd like to make to process that order. It'll also go to support customer service. So if you would like to send it to an associate of MSC instead, you can simply delete that email address and enter in that associate's email, and it'll send it to that person instead. And that's all. Pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your MSC associate and ask.